Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little face.
Okay, let's get started. I'm so excited because this is the sweetest I've ever baked, and I love it so much. I'll sift 3 cups of flour, multi-purpose flour, and baking soda, then set aside. Separating egg white from egg yolk because I need the egg yolks in this process. Then later on I'll use the egg whites also. So to get the egg yolks, first I'll have to remove the egg whites. Then now I can have the egg yolks. I'll use 3 egg yolks. Like before, I stated that I needed 3 eggs at room temperature. The next thing, I'll use 1 cup of margarine or 220 grams. Then I'll blend them together. I'm using this processor to beat the margarine and the egg yolks set on medium speed for like 1 minute until everything gets creamy. Then after 1 minute, I'm going to add icing sugar. Also, I'll beat using this processor on medium speed for like 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Also, I'll blend it together with the strawberry extract because I wanted these cookies to have that strawberry flavor, not vanilla. If you like vanilla, you can use vanilla or any other.
Eyelashes moving softly, little arms make me love you. Ooh, babe, I love you so much, so much. Ooh, babe, I wanna stay with you. Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little fits make me stay with you. Eyelashes move.
So now it's done and ready. I'm going to introduce the flour mixture, which I mixed in the separate bowl. I'll add the flour and mix just until it's combined.
Babe, I wanna stay with you. Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little.
Almost done with this third step. Now I'm going to introduce the shredded coconut, 100 grams. I'll use 100 grams first. Then the remaining 80 I'll use it later, you'll see. Okay, I'll also mix the coconut slowly, bit by bit, until everything is combined. Please do not over mix, just until it's okay and it's all combined. Everything is combined. Yeah. You can see the 80 grams extra desiccated coconut that I set aside. Now I'm going to use it here. Now the best part is here. We are almost there. I can't wait. So I'm going to roll dough into balls using about 1.5 tablespoons of dough per cookie. I'll roll in coconut like that. Then I place into my baking sheet or your pan, whatever you're going to use when baking, like that. Then another and another and another until all the dough is finished. Yeah.
Moving softly, little arms make me.
Now that I'm done rolling and placing everything in my baking sheet, I'll preheat my oven at 160 degrees Celsius and set my time to 30 minutes. No, not 30 minutes. 30 minutes is for baking, but preheating, I'll preheat for 10 minutes. Then I place my cookies inside the oven. Now I'm going to wait for 30 minutes. Almost done. I can't wait. Oh my god.
Make me smile and your little fits make me stay with you. Eyelashes.
Guys, if you can make these cookies, then you'll never buy any cookie from any shop. These are so fresh cookies and yummy, sweet. Yeah, very, very sweet. I don't know if it's me who loves sweet things. Oh my god. After 30 minutes, yay, my cookies are ready. And I'm going to leave them to cool for like 10 minutes. Then I'll have this. Please check out for my next video. I'll show you how I made the white cream that I spiced my cookies with. Yeah, it will be there in some few hours. If you're impressed with my video, kindly like, and also you can comment down there in the comment section. Also, for those who are going to try this recipe, let me know your feedback on the comment.
Little arms make me love you.
Watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. Let's do this together. Bye. I love you all. Bye, and see you next time. Bye bye.